Well, the first round is over, and how are your brackets doing? You know, my bracket, other than Ohio State taking a fucking nosedive, actually is not doing too badly. I had a really good Sunday, especially on betting. I only lost one, fucking UConn. But other than that, my brackets actually had a good day on Sunday. Probably one of my best betting days ever on Sunday. I mean, it could have been worse. I mean, I didn't bet the Texas game, and I'm glad about that. I mean, how many fucking turnovers did Texas have? I mean, every 10 seconds. It was like, I was picturing the meme of the guy with the trying to wash his car and dropping all the bucket and everything, and the hose. I mean, jeez, Texas, what the hell, man? Anyway, we're going to do a Sheetz review. A Sheetz. Of course, Sheetz is kind of like another Wawa. They're not New Jersey, but they're like in Western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Carolinas, down around there. And they have their own soda brand. And you know how generic sodas go, they're hit or miss. This is one that's called Sheetz Pop Citrus Drop. 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 Yes, Sheetz Pop Citrus Drop. I guess this is kind of a lemon lime type slash Mountain Dew generic. So we're going to see how this tastes as we give a review to Sheetz Pop Citrus Drop. Sheetz Pop Citrus Drop. Sheetz Pop Citrus Drop. All right. Brand. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of tastes a little bit like Mountain Dew. But without the zip. Without the snap. It's kind of flat, I would dare say. I'm going to give this kind of a low grade. I'm going to give this a 6.1.